The life cycle of your procurement card. Stage 4. Account maintenance, card renewals, and cancellations. Changes can happen during the lifespan of your procurement card, also known as a P card. It's vital to maintain your account and keep your information up to date. Updating your information. Reach out to your agency's credit card liaison to request updates to your name or card limits. If you do not know who your credit card liaison is, contact your supervisor. Your liaison will either update your information immediately in PaymentNet or ask you to submit a procurement card change request form to them requesting the updates. To find this form on the BSC website, navigate to the Popular Topics section of the homepage. Next, click on Forms and Publications, and then filter on Purchasing. Finally, type in the keywords Procurement Card Change Request in the refined search. The form should pop right up. Your liaison must sign and submit your procurement card change request form to the BSC on your behalf. Any form submitted to the BSC not signed by your liaison will not be processed. Lost or stolen cards. If your card is lost or stolen, report it to JP Morgan immediately by calling 1-800-270-7760. They will close your current card and issue you a replacement, which you should receive within 5 business days. Card renewals. Approximately 45 days prior to your card's expiration date, JP Morgan will issue you a new card. Your card will be mailed to the address designated by your agency. Keep in mind, your card will not automatically renew if your card was never activated or not used within the last 36 months. You can check on these details by reaching out to JP Morgan. Canceling your card. If you're retiring, transferring agencies, or have a change in duties, you must cancel your P card. Start by first reconciling all charges in SFS and cancel any reoccurring charges associated with your P card. Next, contact JP Morgan by calling the number on the back of your card or logging into PaymentNet. Finally, request to cancel your card. Once it's officially canceled, destroy your card. If you have any questions about maintaining your account or navigating card renewals or cancellations, please visit the BSC Help Center. This great resource can be accessed through the BSC website and should be your first stop. If you need further assistance, please reach out to the BSC credit card team or JP Morgan customer service. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great purchasing experience.